Right now, though, it's kind of rough currently in parts of Pennsylvania. Mike Seidel is there from the Weather Channel, and he is at Center Hall, Pennsylvania, just outside of State College. Mike, what's it like out there?
Hey, good morning, Al. Still snowing. Amazing totals. The earliest snowfall of the season here nearby State College. Look how much we've had. 6 to 7 inches of heavy, wet snow, kind of like mom's mashed potatoes. This would be an impressive storm even in January. The problem with this weight of snow, the trees still have leaves on them. And this morning, 15% of Center County residents are waking up without power. More snow on the way. The roads aren't in great shape. The major highways are fine. And it's homecoming weekend at Penn State. Tomorrow's homecoming game likely to be the coldest on record with temperatures in the 30s. It should be in the 60s this time of the year. Back to you, Al.
So, Mike, let me get this straight. Your mother's mashed potatoes are cold, wet, and dense. Okay.
Well, let me let you in on a little secret. By the time I was 15, I'd find out where she hid the box.
Oh, okay. Got it. All righty.
So
that's what's going on around the country. Here's what's happening in your neck of the woods.